Here's something you didn't know about me. I'm not a pastry chef. Baking is a passion. Decorating, on the other hand, is a challenge. For my son's birthday party, he wanted a Spider-Man theme. He wanted to dress up like Miles Morales, and he wanted me to be Peter Parker. So here we are, all suited up. I'm gonna show you how I decorated these Spider-Man themed sugar cookies for his birthday. I made a Peter Parker, Miles Morales, and some themed number 4s. Because he's turning 4. I dropped some links in the description so you can find all the supplies, and if you love this video, make sure you give it a like. Are you ready to see my decorating skills? Please don't judge me. Due to my limited supplies, the first thing I created was this handy little map. Yes, I drew it myself. This way, I knew which colors that I needed to start with and at what stage to use them on each cookie, because I needed similar colors, but some of them were only border and some of them were only flooding, so I needed a way to figure out which ones I needed to mix first. I had grand plans that fizzled down just to 3 different colors, white, black, and red. So really, I only mixed up black and red. Then I made border icing and flood icing for the different colors. Okay, we're caught up. I'm gonna show you how to make the Peter Parker Spider-Man, and then later on, I'm gonna show you the Miles Morales Spider-Man cookies. So sit back and let's speed up the video. And voila! Here's my Peter Parker cookie. This one is my favorite one. I like the number of lines I made on the webs. More is better. I wish I did that for Miles Morales. I did him a great injustice here, but I'm so tired, so I couldn't go back. You know, just do more web lines. It just looks so much better. I made a 4 cookie because he's 4 years old, and not all people like Royal Icing. And I love this sugar cookie on its own, so this was the way to make a plain cookie. And here's a closer look. I hope you enjoyed these cookies. They didn't come out as polished as I would have liked, but I was happy with them, and what was most important is my son loved them. Please let me know what you thought about these cookies, and if you're looking for somewhere else to go, I highly recommend this video. I'll see you later.